Hey guys, I wanted to share with you, I share with you a lot of things I buy on Etsy. And I bought what I thought was a vintage themed junk journal kit. And it's a junk journal ephemera shop. I don't know what anymore I got. It says vintage themed junk journal pages, old postcards, shabby postcards, book plate, and it's supposed to have some vintage postage stamps with it. I thought I thought I was printing a kit. As you can clearly see, this is a page, a book that's laid open on the copier and copied. And I got 2 sheets of each page, like I needed an extra page. But what do you do with this? I mean, I can't make a journal out of it because somebody already has. And that would be just making somebody else's journal. But what do you do with this? I mean, you have any ideas? Let me know. I can't believe it. Actually, the book pages are showing where they just laid the book in there. I don't understand it. I don't understand the reason behind even selling something like this. I don't know. What do you do with it? You know, I could cut around this, but then that's not my work. It's someone else's work. So I don't know. And the only reason I'm doing this video is because I don't even know if this is the seller's work. So, yeah, you know, anybody have any suggestions? What would you use this for? Oh, the scrap paper. And I didn't need to buy scrap paper. So, if you have any suggestions on how you would even bother to use this or what to do with it, and you know, I don't usually give a negative review, but this makes absolutely no sense to me to sell something like this and, you know, advertise it that this is what you're getting. Well, you got it. You just got it already put together, made by somebody else. Alright, give me some ideas. Thanks.